everybody, and this video is how to add effects in PictoBlox. So let's get started. So this video gonna be quite a short video. So let's get started again. So anyway, first we're gonna delete Dolby because I don't want to add effects to Dolby. But if you want to, you don't need to delete Dolby. But if you didn't want to, you just need to press this icon to delete Dolby. That is really simple and easy. So press it one time. So Dolby's delete. See? So anyways, so let's choose a new sprite. So you can choose a new sprite by clicking this icon or this icon. You can paint a new sprite by clicking this icon. This one, sorry. So you can add a surprise sprite by clicking this icon. So you might be wondering how it works. So how it works, if you want to know that, check my first challenge in PictoBlox video. Because it's really cool video. And it's really exciting for me, maybe for you also. So anyway, so this is how you add a surprise. And do you think I can make a project by using surprise sprite and surprise backdrop? Did you think so? I'm not telling you. You need to check out my first challenge in PictoBlox video. And you can see if I can do it or not. Hopefully I can do it. Anyways, so you can click this icon to choose a sprite, or you can also upload a sprite. You can search the sprite in any internet browser such as Google. So I'm just gonna choose a sprite by clicking this icon. So you can choose any sprite that you like, but I'll choose animal. I don't know what just I choose. Oh my god. Camel. Is that camel spelled like that? I'm sorry. Is this camel smell like that? I mean, it's not smell, spell like that. Oh, kind of dragon. Yeah, kind of like dragon. That dragon? Yay! Finally, I found the dragon. Oh, it's really giant. It says dragon, but we're gonna change the size into 75. Sorry, it's not a giant dragon because I don't like giant dragon. I like small dragons too. Let's see if it has costume in it. Ooh, there's a bunch of costume here. It's a nice one. So anyways, so time to add scraps or code. So first go to events and get this sprite click. So how this means is if this sprite click, something that will happen. So dragon, dragon, make sure you choose the sprite that you choose. Anyways, so go to control balance and get repeat 10 times loops. Anyways, so go back to looks and get change. No, not that. What's happening with my mouse? Sorry. My mouse, please. What's happening? Okay, it's okay, guys. It's okay now. Sorry, guys. So let's change color of that by 25. I think 25 is enough. Let's put in repeat 10 time loops. Okay, and I think 25 is enough. And you can also change it into any FM. If you want to do fisheye one or ghost one, I don't know. So you can choose any effect that you want to choose. Time for backdrop, and you can choose your own backdrop by clicking this or this icon, paint your own backdrop, or add a surprise backdrop and upload a backdrop. So this time I'll paint a backdrop. So let's delete backdrop 2 because I want backdrop 1 because if you do it will do another backdrop, so it's not a good one. So anyways, so click click fill color. You can decorate maybe, but I'm not gonna decorate it because I'm not good at painting, if you know. If I draw, I just use square and circle probably, or text. But I never used this paintbrush before. But I don't think so I can draw that. So anyways, so let's just paint it a little bit. Kind of like a dragon wall. So maybe let's choose. Maybe I can paint something, maybe, if I can, hopefully. So we're gonna choose this kind of a grassy, big grass kind of a dark red. Kind of wanted dark red at all. Okay, I think this is perfect. It's not perfect, guys. Let's do it back. Start for here. Ooh, what happening? I see. Okay, so we're gonna choosing the outline into like not that one. I kind of want a light one. Kind of want a light one. Kind of want a light one. Kind of want a light green. So we're gonna choose a light green for outline, of course. I think this fresh green is a nice one. Okay, it's a nice one. So we're gonna make it like more here maybe. Yeah, maybe it could be the grass one, maybe. So maybe next is like kind of a sky one. Like if you're good at painting with this, maybe you can, but I'm not. Anyways, I'm not joking. I'm not lying. I'm not that good at this. See, I did a really bad job, guys. This is really bad. I didn't know that I'm clicking this back here. Sorry, guys. So let's make another new one. Oopsie. Come on. What happening with my mouse? Okay, something happening. So let me make it the color kind of like sky blue. Maybe you can choose sky one, but I will just make it by myself because I'm so bored to choose. Oh, the outline. Kind of want dark one. Kind of want color. Kind of want pink one. Kind of want this one color. It's maybe not that good one. Just choose the light blue one. It's the best one because light blue, I think, is the best one I ever seen before. Oopsie. So change the color back because are you just kidding me? It is really always like that, please. Oopsie. So make it back to a fresh green. Make it lighter and make it a blue color. Maybe a dragon world, maybe. Okay, maybe you can stop it without background. Choose your own background, but I will make my own, just for fun, guys. Just for fun. But for outline, I think I might choose it because I think that outline is really bad. So the color is not that green, kind of like a blue, kind of not that blue at all. I think it's not that green. I think this green is a kind of need to be a fresh green. I think it's a really perfect one. I think my dragon world is really perfect now, but we need to make it a little bit that much to be seen more better. Maybe this could be dragon world. So let's see if I have cloud in there because we need to add some. See, oh, sorry, it's cloud. This one. I know this one. I got more good one. Clouds. Yellow. Like around the spell. It's not that good. I like this one the best. Let's just do 75. Let's see if it's could be. Okay. Let me just duplicate them to make it another one. Maybe we can make it. Maybe let's find some sun. Hopefully I can find some sun. As you and Sen. This is a nice one. I like it. Does it have some costume? Just one costume is enough. I like the sun to have some face. It's really fun, guys. Is that? Comment down below. So let's make the sun into like 75 color. Not color. Oh, not sun. Oopsie. 75. Okay, guys, really cool now. It's Dragon War. Let's test something. Let's just make let's just paint it. Use sprite in. Maybe you can also like test the backdrop. Just make it use sprite in it. Just do like DRAGON Dragon WORLD Dragon World, and let's make the color into like black color. Kind of want a black color. Kind of want a black color. Oopsie, outline. Dragon World. Make it really giant. And maybe this could be, like, this could be, ooh, that's a nice one. This could be a good one. It's like Minecraft. Ooh, it's shady now, sorry. Oopsie, we need to put this back on. Let me just select it because I don't want it to be put on top. What should I put in here? Ooh, Dragon Ball, nice one. Maybe it could be a wrap in here. Maybe. Okay, so I think this is the best one. Dragon Ball. So let me make the screen more bigger so you guys can see. Click not the green flag. Click the truck and see find it. Look at that. Look at that. That is so cool. So if you didn't put repeat 10 times, it will be not like that. But I like this still because the color changes really fast, right? It's really cool. I really like that so much. So maybe you can add more ideas to this, more sprite as well. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you not miss any of my videos. Bye!